helping the poor ones. So the fire alarm which is sold in the market, the fire alarm, no, everyone can manipulate the fire alarm by just putting some kind of smoke generating stuff up from it. But this fire alarm only activates in the presence of heat. So the fire alarm which is presently building in apartments, the fire alarm gets activated because of smoke. But this only gets activated by fire. As this is going to help the poor, as the poor live in hut and the live is made up of like dry grass which can caught fire easily. So this is going to help them because it is very cheap and it's very reliable. So I hope that you are like our project. Thank you. And side by
Amazing,
side,
amazing. Very good. And this?
this
What
is
is
also windmill.
Windmill propeller works on a
What is this?
principle that if we use wind electricity to make wind instead of using wind to make electricity, wind propeller of a turbine of a motor spins like a motor and generates electricity.
How it works?
It has a solar panel as this that both